Hello everyone, welcome back to FinVision Hub. Today we are talking about one of the most common questions people ask, credit card versus debit card. Which one should you actually use? Many people think a credit card is a dangerous, while others believe it's the best financial tool ever. ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೆಟರ್? In this video, I will explain the differences, advantages and disadvantages and the smart way to use both cards. So watch till the end because this one decision can save you thousands of rupees. Let's start with the debit card. Debit card is directly linked to your bank account. Whenever you make a payment, the money is deducted instantly from your own account. For example, if you have rupees 20,000 in your bank account and you spend rupees 5,000 using your debit card, your account balance immediately becomes rupees 15,000. Simple alva, you are responding only your own money. There's a no borrowing, no interest, no monthly bills, and no debts. That's why a debit card is one of the safest payment methods, especially for beginners. Okay, now let's understand the credit card. A credit card works completely differently. You are not spending your own money, you are using money borrowed from the bank. Suppose your credit card has a limit of 1 lakh. If you purchase something worth rupees 10,000, the bank pays the merchant first and you repay the bank later. Every month you will receive a bill if you pay the full amount before the due date, and you usually don't pay any interest. Andre, if you miss the due date, the bank start charging high interest, which can become very expensive. So, why do millions of people still use credit cards? Because they offer many benefits. You can earn cashback on shopping, you receive rewards points that can be redeemed later. Many cards provide discounts on travel, hotels, restaurants, and online shopping. You also get interest free days if you pay your bill on time. So, and most importantly, using a credit card responsibly helps build your credit score also. A good credit score makes it easier to get home loans, car loans, and personal loans with better interest rates. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Now let's look at the biggest mistakes people make. Mistake number one, paying only the minimum amount due. Many people think that's enough. Actually, it's not. The remaining balance start attracting interest immediately. Then mistake number two, missing the payment due date. This result in late payment charges and negatively affect your credit score. Mistake number three, overspending just because you have a high credit limit. Remember, your credit limit is not your income. And mistake number four, using your credit card to withdraw cash. This usually attract extra charges and immediate interest. E mistakes avoid ಮಾಡಿ. Let's come back to the debit card. The biggest advantage is financial control. Since you are spending only the money available in your account, it's much harder to overspend. There are no interest charges, no monthly bills, and no debts. That's why debit card are perfect for students, first time earners, and anyone trying to control expenses. Budget manage ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now let's talk about the common debit card mistakes that many people make. Mistake number one, keeping a very low bank balance. If your account doesn't have enough money, your transaction may fail and sometimes you may even be charged bank fees. And then mistake number two, never share your ATM pin or OTP. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಿನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒ ಟಿ ಪಿನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Even if someone claims to be from the bank, never disclose this information. Then mistake number three, using your debit card on unknown or unsafe websites. Always shop only on trusted websites with secure payment pages. This helps protect your money from fraud. Mistake number 4, not checking your bank statement regularly. Review your transaction every month. If you notice an unauthorized transaction, report it to your bank immediately. Mistake number 5, ignoring SMS or app transaction alerts. Every alert is important. If you receive a transaction notification that you did not make, block your card and contact your bank without delay. Remember, a debit card is safe only when you use it safely. Smart habits protect your hard earned money. ATM ಪಿನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಒ ಟಿ ಪಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆಗೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಇದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೇಫ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದರೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆನಾ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಸ್ಮೂತಾಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Which one is better? The answer depends on you. If you are just starting your financial journey, a debit card is usually the better choice. It helps you build good spending habits. If you are a financially disciplined, pay your bills on time and never overspend. Then credit card can be an excellent financial tool. Remember, a credit card is not a bad. Misusing it is bad. When used responsibly, it gives a rewards, cashback, better credit score, and many additional benefits. Before we end, here are 5 golden rules. Always spend within your budget. Always pay your credit card bill in full. Never miss the payment due date. And always save money before investing. So, saving first, investment next, expenses after that. Follow these simple habits and you will build a strong financial future. If you found this video helpful, please like Madi, share Madi and subscribe to FinVision app. We create a simple finance videos that help you save smarter, invest better and build wealth. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.